Yes, wife Tacloban Waray. Nobody told me about their stubbornness. Jimbo, lots of Filipino have stubbornness also. Oh my God. Lot of Filipino have a lot of stubbornness. I will admit that so that I am much stubborn. Oh my God. Lol, they are not stubborn. You are stubborn, Jim. Lots of Filipino have stubborn also. They want the seems like a boss. They want what they like, so you can do something like that. Then they will not listen to you sometimes. So that's why Filipino most are stubborn. Oh my God. OMG. Wow, be cool. But that's gone. That's reality. Stubbornness is gone.